are live. July 2nd, 2025. Let's get into the charts. So on the NQ, pre-market high 22,781.5, midnight open 22,738.75, pre-market lows 22,585.25. Do I have a prediction for today? Not really. I'm just waiting to see as it hits some key levels. Will we continue the trend? Pre-market trend is on the downtrend. So on the equity side, CNC is the ticker I am looking at for the break to the downside. And it left without me. Okay, great. Just waiting for double confirmation on the NQ if it's on a slight downtrend. Right now we have a disagreeing situation. CNC is going downward while NQ is on a slight uptrend, Just waiting for the downturn so I can have a better entry. How is Tesla doing? Do you want to trade that? Okay, it's in the gap fill. Let's go to the 5-minute. Whoops. Okay, it's in the gap fill. I want to fade this level. Okay, so that's why I didn't want to fade CNC even though there's a gap down potential. It's just super strong momentum at the moment. Super strong momentum. This 750 level is very interesting. Very interesting. Not too many sellers on the level 2s. Price is well defended. It's 37.5 again. Well defended. Come on, push it down. Push it down. There's some discrepancy in the NQ charts. I did not like that. Okay, perfect. It went down, but I just don't want to get wicked out of that. Perfect. Got a little scalp there. Let's see. Yeah, just didn't want to be part of a rally like this one. Yep. So I was watching this right here. Okay. Let's mark out some orb highs and orb lows here. I'm done trading on my live account. Just gonna lock in those profits, not over trade. Just gonna identify key setups. Okay. So what is this? Orb high. 282707.25. 656. Okay, yeah, just gonna close out my E-Trade account so I'm not tempted. Maybe I'll take a look. A little bit later, but now just want to make sure I scalp those profits. Yeah, very good. So this is one of those cases where the chart and the regular indices diverge. They are not correlated. So, all right. Excellent stock selection by myself. We did a little bit. Perfect. The only error I did was that I took profit way too early. Okay, here is the play we're looking at right now. This orb is valid. Definitely looking. Below this wick right here is a 50% retracement, so I am looking to go short. Not short. I'm looking to go long. Yeah. If it does give me the opportunity, that's my level.
Try a small piece of longs, guys. Try a piece of longs here.
Okay, Jaden went long.
Try a piece of longs.
Let's
Order
roll.
filled.
This is my small piece as well.
Hard stops below 93.
Okay, so that's about where I am as well. Wow, man, 3 RTP is all the way up here. Okay, sounds good. We're standing by.
Best fill.
Just had some breakfast, but right now we're hitting, yeah, about zero point 0.5 R. It's not enough. Jaden already exited his trade, but I will not be taking any profits unless it hits 2R. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but that's just the type of system I like to trade in terms of the or breakout strategy. Since there's no time decay, I don't feel the need to kind of exit a position prematurely, and uh, because there's no trailing drawdown on profits unless I lock it in for top step, I don't have to worry about that as well. So I'm just allowing the data to play out right now for July 2025, and I do believe that we can hit the targets that I set out. So whether it is 2R, 3R, so let's see how fast it can do it. Because this is my risk parameters. I risked it right here. My stop loss is here. My take profits all the way up here. Let's see how far it wants to go. Okay, meanwhile, let's take a look at the charts. Ooh, what a breakdown by Tesla. Break. Yeah, this gap down. This 310 break, retest, then continue failure down. AMD on the bounce. Jaden was looking at 133. I don't see a key level at 133. Yeah, no key level. The low of days of yesterday at 135. It broke it. It retested. This is the retest right here, and now the bounce back up. Let's see how CNC is doing. 35.8. Oh, 35.6 now. Okay, this is one that this is one that continues to break down. Yep. So I did an excellent job of waiting for this to happen, and then there was a slight retest one more time, and then we began to go down. I took a very early exit, but yeah, this is a 2K trade. Yep. Yep. It's alright though. Jomo. Joy of missing out. Great 140. Just seeing if I can have some longer term plays right now. So CNC is definitely away. No more trades on E-Trade, but I definitely want to set up a this buy level. So F just got faded on that level. So F. Right now I'm looking at last year's July and kind of mid July right here. Was it on the Friday? No, it was midweek, and then we had the fade all the way till the beginning of August. Hmm. But it did show us the weakness right here, and that's the distinction. Right now, it's looking like here. It looks like I'm early. Looks like yeah. Looks like it is right here on July 9th, 2024. I'm early. I don't want to be early. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do nothing. Right now, getting very close to 1R on the orb strategy. Not enough for me. Minimum 2R. Sit on my hands. So far, so good. Took some profit from the market. And we're just continuing our day. Yeah, arm looking to break down. Very, very nice uptrend. Oh yeah, followed it so perfectly. The daily uptrend. That's an awesome move by ARM, the defense company. Oh, electronic semiconductors. Thought it was a defense company. Yeah, these lines no longer have any meaning on SC. I'm still looking for this. Maybe this is invalidated from this drop off we had. Yeah, it should be more like this. But if anything, I like to connect the lows here. Yep, and then lows here. Yep. So if anything, this is how it should look. Everyone's on the Apple train right now. There's a lot of forums and stuff that talked about this. I missed this breakout. Not I missed the breakout, but I missed the break. Yep, that's the right word. The break of this downward sloping line. Turned out to be a good move. How is gold doing? Okay, I'll bounce. That's one. That's one, two, three, four, five. Oh man. Gold is poised for a down move, but it's being respected. Okay, UNC. Oh man, this chart is a gap fill city. A gap fill. This is going to be an interesting spot, so I definitely want to have alerts here. It's going to be an interesting spot. That's the top of, that's the bottom of the gap fill. Meta doing nothing. The beast that was once Costco. I can delete these lines. They don't have any importance to me at the moment. Yeah. It's not been a downward slope for Costco. Every down slope has been a bounce. Awesome, a little over 1R. So unless this goes to 580, that's I'm not going to be taking off the position. $580. So maybe the second purple line is going to be my take profit, depending on how long it goes. Alright, standing by. 1.33R. I really don't want it to go against me. Just definitely want a 2R at least. I'm gonna do something that I normally typically don't do. I'm gonna protect my profits. Gonna bring that all the way up to 751. So I at least capture 1R. 240. If it stops me, it stops me, but I definitely just don't. I just really want to capture some profits. It would suck if it just wicks me out and then continues to trend upward. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, very good. So I'm looking for the 780s, which is very likely. Looks very poised for such a move. Looking for 480. Perfect.
Order filled.
Oh, nice. Nice. 2R. There we go. Perfect. So the trades are still alive. I'm back to full risk, so that's 480. 140. Save that. Perfect. Alright, I'm done for today. Do I want to scalp some other moves? I have no interest. No interest really. I just want to have typically one good trade. So my sole purpose of learning how to trade, well, my short-term goal is one, to supplement my income, but two, definitely to surpass my main income. And we're working on the steps. So until I see something that really catches my eye and stuff like that, but otherwise, yeah, this is a textbook 15-minute orb long. I am curious though, CNC, how is that faring with all of this good news? Oh, it's still going down. Oh, okay. Yeah, I definitely mistook all this bullishness to do an early exit. Yeah, this is now a $3,000 trade. Joy of missing out, Jomo. We live, we move on. Okay, I'm gonna close up the live stream, guys. Had a fantastic Wednesday. Now it's following breakout systems. We had one breakdown on some shorts. What type of company is this? It's a health service, healthcare. And we have a break up on NQ. It's now touching pre-market highs. And yeah, hopefully you guys have spotted the same trends we have. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow.